How do you checkmate in two in this position? So right now, white is down by material by 2 points and black is up. But white has a much better positional advantage, as the pawn is really just tearing into black's territory as well as the queen. It's tearing into there, while the black's king has literally nowhere to go. So if the black's king has nowhere to go, you're gonna want to look for checks. Check, 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 check. So the first thing you can think of is knight checks, because you have two very active knights, like knight f5 check, which is a very good move, sacrificing the knight. But it seems like it's a checkmate until you realize that there's a pawn right here. Because once he takes it, you go with the other knight to give it checkmate. So even though it kind of looked like a blunder moving your knight here, you can lure the other pawn away. As you can see, the pawn is defending these squares. So you use a knight to lure the pawn away, and the other knight comes in to give it checkmate, since the black has nowhere to go. So what have you learned from this video? That sometimes positional advantages can be much better than material advantages. As you can see, black was up by material, but white actually won. And second of all, you could also use pieces to lure away. You use this knight f5 check to kind of lure away the pawn, because that's all he could do. And then you could go knight d5 checkmate. So a lot of people use this tactic as well as I do. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have an amazing day.